Greetings. In my previous video, I explored the concept of the God particle, the fundamental building block of creation that bridges the material and spiritual realms. In this video, we will continue that journey, diving deeper into the profound mysteries of the God particle, as well as exploring the sacred substance within our bodies, often referred to as the sacred substance that resides within our sacred temples, our physical form. We'll look into how this divine energy present within us all connects to our pineal gland and how its activation can align us with greater cosmic energies. Through the adamantine particles, we unlock a deeper understanding of our sacred anatomy and a path towards spiritual illumination. As we venture further into this subject, we'll explore how these esoteric truths have been encoded in ancient wisdom and how we, through sacred practices, can activate the divine spark within to transmute energy and align with the divine flow. So let us continue to explore the divine potential that lies within us. From an esoteric perspective, the connection between the concept of adamantine particles, the God particle, the piezoelectric properties of the pineal gland, and bioluminescence can be viewed as a convergence of ancient wisdom and modern scientific discoveries that illuminate the path to spiritual awakening. The God particle, or adamantine particles, is often viewed as the primordial energy or the building block of creation, and a manifested force that permeates all of existence. Esoterically, this particle is said to be the link between the physical world and the spiritual realms, serving as a bridge to the divine. These particles, while invisible to the ordinary senses, are believed to exist at a deepest level of reality, vibrating at the highest frequencies and carrying within them the blueprint for all creation. The kingdom of God is within you, and it is outside you. The kingdom within is the very essence of these divine particles, the foundation of all creation. The pineal gland, often referred to as the seat of the soul, plays a crucial role in this esoteric understanding. Located within the brain, this small pine cone shaped gland is said to be the organ of spiritual vision and direct link between the physical and spiritual realms. It is through the pineal gland that the higher consciousness connects with the divine, allowing individuals to access deepest spiritual truths. Scientifically, the pineal gland is known to produce melatonin, but esoteric teachings suggest that it also produces a bioluminescent substance, a kind of light that is said to glow when activated by spiritual practices such as sound healing, meditation, breath work, and inner stillness. This light is described in a few sacred texts as a divine radiance. When the mind is controlled and the senses are calm, the yogi sees the truth that is hidden in the heart. From an esoteric viewpoint, the piezoelectric properties of the pineal gland are the key to understanding how the energy of the adamantine particles is transmuted into spiritual awareness. The term piezoelectric refers to the ability of certain materials to generate an electric charge when they are subjected to mechanical stress. In the case of the pineal gland, it is believed that when the gland is activated, whether through focused sound healing, meditation, prayer, or deeper inner work, the piezoelectric properties of the gland cause it to vibrate at a higher frequency, creating an energetic charge that interacts with the adamantine particles. This interaction is said to awaken higher states of consciousness, allowing the individual to access spiritual wisdom and divine knowledge. The sacred anatomy of the body, especially the central channel known as the middle pillar, central meridian, which is also associated with the silver cord that connects you to the astral realms, plays a key role in this energetic activation. The body is a temple, and within it lies the sacred altar. The middle pillar is the path that channels the energy upward, activating the crown chakra and aligning the physical with the spiritual. This process of energetic activation is often referred to in esoteric teachings as lighting the inner fire or awakening the inner light. The bioluminescence substance produced by the pineal gland, when activated by the piezoelectric charge, is believed to emit a light that aligns the individual's consciousness with the divine cosmic forces. This light is often described as a sacred or divine flame, representing the awakening of spiritual vision and the ability to perceive higher planes of existence. The light of the body is the eye. If therefore your eye be single, your whole body shall be full of light. The single eye refers to the third eye or the pineal gland, whose activation leads to spiritual illumination. In this context, the adamantine particles serve as the spiritual fuel that allows the pineal gland's bioluminescence to shine. Just as the God particle is the fundamental building block of the material universe, it is also the divine spark that resides within every individual. When accessed through the activation of the pineal gland, these particles connect the individual to the higher realms, guiding them towards spiritual enlightenment and unity with the divine source. In him was life, and the life was the light of man. The life refers to the divine essence that is carried through the adamantine particles, and the light is the awakening of that essence within. Esoteric traditions often speak of the pineal gland as the third eye, which, when is open, allows individuals to perceive realities beyond the physical realm. It is said that the activation of the pineal gland through the piezoelectric properties and the bioluminescence it produces allows for the integration of the adamantine particles into the consciousness. This integration leads to the realization of the divine within and the ability to consciously interact with the cosmic forces that shape our existence. The divine light flows into the soul, and the soul in turn draws it into the body, illuminating every aspect of existence. The pineal gland is that vessel through which divine light flows into the soul and the body. Furthermore, the process of transmuting the energies of the adamantine particles into spiritual light is closely tied to the concept of spiritual ascension. The activation of the pineal gland's energetic properties is seen as a necessary step on the path to the enlightenment. As the individual works to harmonize their inner energy with the divine energy of the cosmos, they ascend through higher states of consciousness, moving from ignorance to wisdom, from separation to unity with all there is. When the mind is fixed on the Supreme Being, the senses controlled, and the soul in its full bloom, the yogi attains the highest state of spiritual bliss. From an esoteric perspective, the adamantine particles, the piezoelectric properties of the pineal gland, and its bioluminescence are all interconnected aspects of the spiritual journey. The sacred anatomy of the body, particularly the pineal gland, serves as the gateway for assessing the divine spark of creation that resides within us all. By activating the pineal gland and harmonizing it with the divine energies of the universe, we awaken to our true nature and align ourselves with the higher realms of consciousness, ultimately realizing our oneness with the cosmos. You will know the truth, and the truth will set you free. In the activation of our divine light, we come to realize that the truth is within us all along, waiting to be awakened. As we reflect on the sacred nature of our being, the God particle, and the divine essence within us, we are reminded of our infinite potential. Each one of us carries the light of creation within. The activation of our sacred anatomy, particularly the pineal gland, is the key to unlocking the higher dimensions of consciousness and connecting with the divine flow that guides us all. Remember, the power to transmute energy, to rise above the limitations of the material world, and to align with the highest vibrations lies within your hands. By simply choosing to trust in your inner light and tapping into the sacred wisdom of your being, you can transcend fear, rise above challenges, and step into fullness of your divine purpose. Embrace your inner power, walk with courage, and allow the light within to guide you through every step of your journey. Know that you are a co-creator in this vast cosmic tapestry, and through your consciousness, you contribute to the unfolding of the divine plan. Trust in the process, stay grounded in love, and never ever forget that the divine spark within you is always there, just waiting for you to awaken it. And so it is.